It is very easy to record any video that is being displayed in your mobile phone. So first I'll be making a small tutorial to make you understand this. So here we go. You can see screen recorder and video recorder. There are so many screen recorders. There is Kimsey 929. Then we have InShot screen recorder, which is I think the safest, and the rating is also high. When you have 4.7 stars, that means this app is good. So you see 1 million reviews, 4.7. So I'm installing this now, screen recorder and video recorder, X recorder. I'm installing this and this is getting installed in my mobile phone. Now this is being downloaded. It will take some time to download. You need to wait till it gets downloaded. It is done and see it is showing installing. So this has been installed. Now X recorder is being scanned. And now you'll find this option open. So I'll open this. I'm opening it. And here is our X recorder. Allow display over other apps. You will select this. You'll do like this, right? So allow and then allow display over other apps. This you have to select. See, I have selected this. It was in this manner. I have selected this. It has come this side. So this is what we've done now. Now we'll just go back. And now whatever you have in your screen can be recorded. Like, now see, I have opened the zoom here, and whatever I'll find in my screen will be recorded now. To do this, I'll simply go back to the X recorder. If I have to record something, first you have to switch on this X recorder, and then you have to just click on this record button. See this red button? This is the red button. This one. See, this is the red button, record button. I'm clicking on this and do it. Allow X recorder to record audio. I'm allowing this. And OK. Start now. Click on start now. 3, 2, 1. And the recording starts. Now whatever you will be having in your screen will be recorded. I'm opening the Zoom. I'm opening the Zoom meeting. This is a Zoom meeting. And you'll close these ads. Ads will come up. You need to close everything. I'm opening the Zoom. And see, this is my Zoom. And this is being recorded. You can find a record button here. See, this is the recording option. See, I've tapped this. You'll tap on this. See, and it's being recorded. This is the recording. So the recording is continued. This way, whatever you have in your screen will be very easily recorded, right? And you have to stop the recording. You'll click here. And this is the stop, the small square. Tap here. You have, this is the pause. Let me show you. This is the pause. This is the stop. Right? And this is the camera. So click on the stop and the recording stops. That's it. Your things are being recorded now. Now, how I'll find that the video which I recorded, where will I find? I'll find it in the file manager. So I'll be going to the file manager. I'll tap in the file manager. I'll tap in this file sections and I'll come down to screen records. Here you have the screen records. I'm tapping in this screen capture, tapping in this, and you have all the recordings that you have done. It was one of the easiest way that I use to record videos from my mobile phones. Whatever videos is being displayed in the mobile phones can be recorded by the screen recorder in this manner.